Hey there guys, so quick update on my EDC box that I just remade. First off, I love what I did to it. Just saying, I love how I can open it now and just really quickly reach in and grab my firearm, and it's made it a lot easier so far to reach in there, grab it out without all my stuff falling out, just for like going to the mailbox or going to the car or whatever. Gotta be ready, you know, gotta be protected, gotta be ready. And yeah, made it a lot easier to pull it in and out. I love it, and I really like the stand I put on there. It really brings it all together. What I'm doing today is I'm actually shooting a video about some vinyl stickers I just got from my friend over at the Crazy Cricketeer. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. I guess they made these stickers, and sorry, vinyls, and check it out. It's pretty cool. Don't mind the Crocs. I love these things. Alright, boom! Have the We the People, have the little 3%, 3%ers, and then we have the 2020. Thought that'd be a fun little thing to add in there since it is 2020. And it kind of feels like we are the militia nowadays. And of course, you got the distressed flag in there. And of course, I guess these are permanent vinyls. Like you can take them off, but they're just really hard to get off, I guess. Which is good because I'm gonna be throwing my wallet, my knife in here and all that stuff, my other EDC stuff. And so yeah, so all this it's in there. Just got back from doing it, and pretty awesome. I might have them make another couple of them put on top here. Like, I don't even know what to put on there yet, but if you have any ideas, let me know in the description, or not, in the comments below, and I will see if I can get them to make it for me. And there's a horn. That was random and weird. Anyways, I hope you guys like it. If you guys are interested in any of these, hit up that Crazy Cricketeer. Again, I'll leave the description, or a link in the description below. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.